Was that the bite of 87?
Oh, what's up, guys? Sorry. It's me, Chef Boiii. And today, well, a couple days ago, I was sick. Now, if you're wondering, GG. I don't know why I typed it in. Anyway. I was sick. Like a couple days ago. Last weekend. Like 2 days ago. Yep. And I'm feeling a lot better now. I just still got, like, you know, a stuffy nose. You know, I keep on, like, coughing. I had, like, a tuberculosis attack at school before, you know, the dismissal. You know, when you pack your shit and leave. So, yeah, it's always great. But guess what? I shit myself. We have ourselves a Roxanne Wolf. Get on my walrus mobile. Finally. Wait, who's in there with you, Roxanne? Oh no! You two, get the hell out of here! Right fucking you asshole! Blizzard from Dairy Queen. What do you think it was like? From fucking kitchen, maybe. Maybe it was from the hot dog stand all the way in New York, and trust me, I am far from New York. Anyway, it is a peanut butter, cookie dough. A cookie dough blizzard from Dairy Queen. And I actually made a food review a little bit ago of this stuff. Well, not this, but like the cotton candy. And trust me, that was a long time. And I mean, alright, let's get into this. 3, 2, stop. 1. Alright, fuck it. All I gotta say is,
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Sorry about that. 81!
Ran out of degrees. I mean, ran out of storage.
Alright guys, I'm incensed right now because I just spilled like less than a quarter of it. Well, there's still a lot, but like it's all over my keyboard now and all over my desk. I keep on spilling shit. I spilled like everything on my desk once and almost destroyed my entire computer. So I have the worst of luck when it comes to anything liquid or even being close to liquid on my desk. And trust me, I have lemonade, water, Coke, a fucking Dairy Queen, almost close to my computer, that, and 2 speakers, which should also get ruined completely, entirely by liquid. Because guess what? I just shat myself again. I don't know why I keep on shitting myself, but that's all in the past now. Let's continue. And also I ran out of storage to just make me even more incensed. That's normal. And when I get even more incensed, I want to punch stuff. Right in front of me is a monitor, so I'm gonna probably punch that, which I don't want to. Whew. Let me tell you, man. It's nice, very nice. It is nice and cold. Not really that much of a brain freeze. Oh, okay, there's a brain freeze. Oh, shit. Alright, that's enough. That's enough of the brain freeze shit. Cookie dough is hard, and it's very cold. Sometimes it gets stuck down your throat, causing brain freezes. That's what I don't want. That's what I don't want. I'm on the bus right now, but why the fuck was that so loud, man? What the fuck? It sounded like an earthquake. I need to back up. Hold up. Ah, cold. Teeth hurt. But, you know, the bits and pieces of a chocolate chip really add a lot more taste to the ice cream itself. Why did I do that? I'm cringe. Ah! 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 Ugh. That's worse than a brain freeze. I just swallowed the whole piece because I didn't even want to chew it. Like, look at this. You don't even know they're there. Look. There's like 3 in there, but you don't even barely even see them. They're covered in cold ass fucking ice cream. Oh. That is cold, but good. Well, I'm gonna start explaining it because I haven't even explained it yet. It is a very good taste, dude. What the fuck? Tastes very tasty. What the fuck? The hell, man? What the? It has a lot of flavor. It is easily a nice pass. I just put the Don't Move Wolf in Gary's mod, bro. Nah, this is crazy. Not a pass. Like a pass means like, oh, nothing. But it's good. I don't know what it is. It's... I'll rate it soon. Oh, cold. I don't know how to explain the flavor. There's like chocolate in there as well. It adds even more flavor. And it's like very creamy and everything. It's... Yeah, they're good. My desk is covered in ice cream and stains. I need to clean my mouse pad. Like, look at this. Look at this mouse pad. I'm having regrets about this. You know, it's probably gonna burn my mouth the complete opposite, like throwing dry ice in my goddamn gullet. But who cares? I'm Chef Boy. I could do anything. I ate Not even a quarter of the one chip challenge. Yeah, that's that. That's right. I ate not even a quarter. Not even a quarter. Like a tiny bit off the corner. Who cares about that now? Oh! Oh my god, bro. It is so fucking cold. It's like throwing dry ice in your mouth and trying to bite on it. Like, it's hard to chew. You almost like swallow it because you have to. Like, your body literally just forces you to swallow it and not even chew it because it's so goddamn
sexy.
I think we had enough. 84. Alright, I think we had enough. I'm gonna rate it. It's like nice and soft, you know. The cookie dough bits are nice and chewy. They just good. Very good. And it's good. Yo guys, this generation is so soft. I'm gonna come up to somebody and ask them their favorite anime. Hey, what is your favorite anime?
Skibbity toilets.
See, can I like abort you? Is that possible? It's very good. So I would definitely recommend this. But what would I give it? You remember when I did the Grimace Shake review? Yes, the legendary Grimace Shake. The Grimace Shake that could kill a man. Yeah, I survived that, of course, because it's just a fucking myth. There's no such thing as people dying from the Grimace Shake unless they drown themselves in it. But, just like the Grimace Shake, I'm giving this Yep, he said it. I'm gonna let my walrus friends say it. What he just said there was a whole bunch of random ass whistling. But in my mind, I'm an idiot and a psychopath. So that would be a 10 out of 10 for me, translating his language. So, yeah, Mr. Walrus Friend said a 10 out of 10, even though he didn't even try it. But he said it was a 10 out of 10, and I agree with him, because he's a walrus whistle, and I must. I obey him. I worship him. What's going on, Trapway? Is that a walrus? It's starting to rain, guys. So I might not be out here for long, or I not even might be out here for like a couple more seconds. So, do you mind getting wet? I'm just asking. Do you mind getting wet? Because I do. I definitely do. But I don't think you guys mind because you're for a screen. It's probably not raining for you guys. But it is for me. So, I guess I'm gonna jump a little bit. Because there's nothing better to do. It's raining. It's raining. I can't do anything about it. The phone's covered in water. Oh my god. Mama, mama. There's the doorstep. I need to make it. There's the doorstep right there. I need to get in. Okay, guys, it's me. Yes, this is me, and this is me 2 weeks prior to the being recorded, the full video. So I should do something cool in return for making you guys wait for so long, even though I could have just, grown some balls and did it, and just edited the video in less than a week. Shit myself. That was cool? No, it wasn't. Okay. Screaming like a child up here. I'm lightheaded. I should stop. Just scream normally. Goodbye.